بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ولا تحسبن الذين قتلوا في سبيل الله أمواتا بل أحياء عند ربهم يرزقون. You must not think that those who are killed in the way of Allah are dead, but rather they are alive with their Lord and have been provided for. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, there are 5 types of martyrs: the victim of plague, the wounded, the drowned, and he who dies under demolition, and the martyr in the cause of God. As we all know, there has been an earthquake which has struck Turkey and Syria. I ask Allah to count all those who are victims as martyrs of the demolition that happened. The reason for this short clip is to ask people to help your brother Muslims and help your brothers and sisters in humanity, be it by the way of donations or be it by any other way. And a little bit of advice regarding those who want to make donations. I would strongly recommend that anybody who wants to donate anything to these causes to go through reputable international agencies, as not so much Turkey, but the Syrian government is far from a honest government.
Syria is struggling to respond to the earthquake's disaster, but how much of that is down to politics? The regime in Damascus insists that it should control aid and rescue efforts.
And usually anything that goes for the people is either siphoned and stolen by the officials, or it gets taken to only the areas that are loyal to the current regime, which means the people who are most in need will not receive any benefit from your donation. So please make sure when you do donate, you research the organization that you're going to donate to. Any organization that goes through the Syrian government is probably going to lose most of the money. This is only a short clip. It isn't intended to be a political broadcast or anything like that. It is just a bit of advice for all of us who are concerned for our brothers and sisters in this most terrible time. I ask Allah to give them comfort and to give them ease. And I ask you to make as much dua as you can for them. أقول قولي هذا واستغفر الله لي ولكم ولسائر المسلمين. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.